What's up, y'all? This is Luis, back at it again on another video. So today we're going to New York City. Okay na. Gusto nyo daw. Sana na mag-araw ay itong vlog na to. What's up, y'all? I made it to New York, and first up is I'm going to Jollibee to eat because I haven't eaten my breakfast yet, and it's currently like, what time is it? 9:52 a.m. Yeah, and we arrive on time. So wait, I'll show you Stacy, guys. She's coming with me to my tour for a day at New York City. Yes! What's up, y'all? Few more steps, makakarating na tayo sa Jollibee. We made it to Jollibee. So guys, we're here. So we got a chicken and a spaghetti. I think their spaghetti is kind of different from the Philippines. And I also have a gravy, pineapple juice, and that's it.
Moments later.
What's up, y'all? So I'm done eating. Now I'm heading to the M&M's kasi dun mag-i-start yung Big Bass and I saw it na. Anyways, ito na. Tatawin na tayo. Ang baka ng lalaki. Ito na nakailamig na. Period. Like, ganito yung situation after a snowstorm, guys. Nakapagilid na yung mga snow. Sobrang lamig. Here, guys, kukuha lang tayo nito. Ano nito? Siguro dalawa. Yes, period. Ay, sa taas tayo. Though, meron, ayoko dito sa may ganito, be. Gusto ko sa open area dito, like, period, diba? This is gonna be the best part if you're traveling, like, yung open talaga. First is sa downtown. Eto, dito na tayo sa downtown, of course. Now, we're going to Empire State Building and papasok tayo doon kasi meron tayong appointment doon. And I'll update you guys kung anong meron sa loob ng Empire State.
Moments later.
We're here in Empire State Building. Pero bababa kami doon banda sa may harap. Just like what happened last time. Lalakadin ko na lang siya. Hi! Okay, thank you. Dito na tayo. Finally, we're naka... Okay.
Was early on in my career, I was up on the 86th floor. It was winter, and I was looking out over the fields.
Period. We finally made it. The entrance. Now we're literally entering the... I mean, nakapasok tayo dito sa Empire State. Pero, aakyat na tayo. Medyo kinakabahan ako kasi mataas siya. 86th floor. So, kailangan ko lang kalmahan yung sarili. Kasi pupunta pa ako ng observation deck. Edge observation deck din mamayang gabi. So, we'll see.
Did you want to scan in the middle?
Oh, yeah. Oh my God, kinakabahan ako. Hi!
Smile. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, family.
Oh my God! We're here! Oh my gosh! Aakit pa tayo mamaya. Isipin ko siya. Putang ina. Kinakabahan ako. Ano yung tulog talaga yung akala mo yun. Punta tayo dyan mamaya. Ay, yung BFF ko. Ay, yung kumari ko yan doon.
Good morning. How are you?
Ito na. Shit, kinakabahan ako.
Enjoy the view and have a great ride upstairs.
Yeah.
It's my pleasure.
I'm scared.
Waiting for that.
Oh my God.
Welcome to the world's most famous building, and you get to see it built. Keep your arms and legs inside and keep your eyes open. See those
We made it. 80th floor of Empire State. Ang ganda po. Ina. Oh my God. We're going to 86th floor. Like yung open area na talaga siya. Makikita na natin lahat. Nakakatakot. Don't know.
Welcome to the 86th floor observation deck.
Sortez à gauche. 请向左边出口离开. Bitte nach links aussteigen.
Procedi a sinistra.
Salga a la izquierda. Saída à esquerda. 왼쪽으로 나가주세요.
左手にお進みください.
Please exit left.
Welcome guys, continue left side guys.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's right. That's how we do it.
Oh my God, we made it! Yun yung Brooklyn Bridge, guys. Well, bago ako mag-photoshoot, syempre, iikutin ko muna itong buong to. Tapos mag-photoshoot na ako, and bababa na ako kasi diretso na ako ng Brooklyn Bridge. Ewan ko pupunta ako ng Dumbo or hindi. We'll see. If you guys can see that one, that building, pupuntahan ko yan, girl, mamayang gabi. I'll be there tonight. I'm gonna try this though. I think it's gonna work. Now we made it to 86th floor of Empire State Building. Dito na ako magpipicture. Guys, ka-FaceTime ko si Balgos. Say hi, Edric. He's from New York but he's studying in Utah, so he's not here. Pupunta ka ba dito next month? February, March. Magkikita ba tayo? Oh, magkikita daw kami. So I'm going back here on March. 1 month lang. Tapos babalik. Say hi, Gabi. Welcome to Canal Street, sabi nila. Welcome to my vlog, ako. Guys, it's currently 12:37 and on the way na tayo sa Brooklyn Bridge. After nun, hindi na siguro ako mag-Statue of Liberty. Or it depends kung magbago yung isip ko. Kasi I have a lot of time pa. Okay, as usual, we're here in Brooklyn Bridge. And there's a lot of people right now because it's weekend. And there's nothing new. Every time I'm here, it's so busy. Guys, we're here in Brooklyn Bridge right now. Nalakad tayo hanggang doon. It's kind of far. It's like a 30 minutes walk. I don't know if babalik pa ako dito or dediretsuhin ko na lang. I'm going to Dumbo. And what else? I don't know, maybe yeah, yun lang. Or dediretso na ako ng Central Park or ng World Trade Center. Hindi ko alam. We'll see. At sobrang ginigiraw na ako. Dear, sobrang lamig. So may Chinatown dito. So we'll see that. Guys, we made it to Fulton Street. Dapat magbabas ako kasi it's so traffic. That's why nag-subway na lang ako. And we're going to the World Trade Center. I think I'm gonna eat na rin kasi it's very busy. And hindi pa talaga nadaanan ko. Bagay sa akin. So, okay lang yan. Sobrang ginaw. We made it. Mas mabilis. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay. Now, we're here. I-search na natin saan yung World Trade Center. Okay, period. Pero hindi tayo papasok dito kasi gusto ko dun sa 9/11 Memorial. Dun lang siya sa tapat. So, period. Sobrang lamig na rin kasi hindi ko na kinakaya. Like, actually, alauna na. Please oras alauna na pero sobrang lamig pa din. I was expecting na parang iinit. Umaraw siya. Like, maaraw talaga. Pero girl, pag nandito ka na sa mga tourist spot, like girl, yung lamig parang pangkarne. Hindi pang tao yung lamig, pangkarne talaga. I swear. Anyways, after nito, baka pupunta ako ng Statue of Liberty. Depende kung sisipagin ako. Kasi tinatamad na din ako eh. Baka mag Grand Central na lang ako. Share ko lang. Ma-ROI ko ba to? Parang hindi. Nakapunta na ako ng Brooklyn Lake ng best na, so gusto ko siya makita, pero sana babalik ako dito one time, like parang, you know, eto na, dito na tayo. Actually, dalawa to eh. Pero come on now guys, let's see this. Let's see, dito tayo sa walang tao, pero parang magkakatao na laro. Nakatapos ko lang kumain. Now, I'm going back to Canal Street. Hindi ko alam. Chinatown. Pero pinag-iisipan ko pupunta ako ng friend's apartment. Pero kung yung napupunta ko doon at wala lang ako ibang agenda, ayoko na lang. Gusto rin punta sa 5th Avenue kaso yung Louis Vuitton building lang dinahabol ko doon. Huwag na lang din. Guys, look oh. Nag-yellow. Like, di magamit yung mga bikes right now. I'll go first in GUP kasi feel ko mas may mabibili ako dyan. Anyways, I'm wearing all my outfit right now is from Old Navy except for this one and for the shoes. My shoes is from Under Armour, and this scarf is from H&M, of course. Di ko na alam pupuntahan ko, pero we'll see. We're gonna go shopping na lang din dahil siguro pupunta pa ako observatory mamaya. Manonood sana ko yung The Wicked kaso wala naman ako kasama. Guys, look what I did inside this I Love New York souvenir shop. Nag-ano lang ako, photo booth. Like, ang ganda niyang ipagmalaki. Share ko lang.
But we are 8 people.
Picture?
No, I'm good. Budol ako yan, Tera. Budol kami last time ng ganyan. Like, tinanong kung gusto namin magpa-picture sa kanila. Ginawa naman namin. Tapos at the end, naniningin na sila like $100 per head. Girl, hello. So, I'm going to Edge Observation Deck tonight. And I'm going back here in Times Square to have photo shoot. Nag-hire na ako ng photographer ko. Guys, I'm so tired na. Anyways, andito tayo sa may Edge. Pero nasa 4th floor pa lang. I-welcome pa lang tayo. So, sinisipon na ako, be.
Camera's over here. Smile. Then go this way, okay?
Okay, thank you. Uy! Ganda! Yes, I love it. What's it ba? Ay, laro. Laro BFF. Ay, ang ganda. I love it. Our cities are future. Tama. Tingnan tayo.
It's going to be a bit tight.
The Tower of Terror.
Tangin na 100 daw.
Like I'm in Disneyland.
Shit. We made it to 100. 4. Oh my God, ang ganda. Andito na tayo. Finally, thank God. Ang ganda ng sunset, babe. Ito yung mga gusto ko.
Exacto.
Finally.
Malug kang may
Thank
banana
God.
pink.
Gago, ang ganda. Mas mataas siya kaysa sa ano.
I think it should be a glass floor. That would really freak
Mas
me.
mataas siya kaysa sa Empire Dome. Ala, ayoko na nga dyan. Dito na nga lang dumaan. Laro. Eme-emehin nyo ako. Cute siya, bro. Uy, ang ganda. Tangina. Daming tao. Gusto ko mag-picture pero ang daming tao. Saan ko ilulugarin pa yung sarili ko dyan. So, pagbigyan na natin silang lahat. Anyways, nasa 100th floor tayo ng Edge Observation Deck. Gusto ko mag-picture pero walang mag-picture sa akin. Magta-tripod sana ako kaso parang